Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. Just think about all those ingenious ideas that have already been transformed into real-life inventions. Crazy smart, don't you think? We're sure after seeing the following new inventions, you'll get a strong feeling that I need this cool stuff right now. And indeed, sooner or later, you'll find yourself in possession of many of them. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at 6 ingenious inventions that might surprise you. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I guarantee you're going to love what I have in store. Let's get started. Number 6. The WalkingPad S1. The team is back with a new upgraded version of the foldable walking pad. In order to fit for more people and more scenarios, we changed the weight and volume of the S1. Comparing the WalkingPad S1 to our previous model, the S1 is 20 pounds lighter, takes up to 45% less space than the older model, and minimizes noise for a better working environment. Equipped with premium materials of the frame and the running belt, it aims to deliver the best workout experience in your home. Unlike traditional treadmills, the WalkingPad S1 adopts a patented 180-degree foldable design that allows the WalkingPad S1 to be easily stored anywhere. Once folded, it takes up less than 95% of the space, and you can store it either vertically or horizontally in your home or office. Number 5. Amazfit X curved smartwatch. It's time for a new standard in smartwatches. With its extra wide curved display, the Amazfit X fits more of the important stuff on your wrist without all the scrolling to find it. It applies the continuous heart rate monitoring system to help reach your fitness goals and monitor your health effectively wherever your day takes you. And with a lithium battery that can run for 7 days on a single charge, the Amazfit X has the power to get you through your whole week worry-free, even when you're living around the clock. With a color-rich 2.07-inch curved display, the Amazfit X fits more on your wrist than most smartwatches. Intricate in its design, Amazfit X exemplifies the clarity with a 326 ppi HD resolution and enhances its expression through a 400 nit high-brightness display. Enjoy sharp and bright display even under direct light with Amazfit X. Number 4. Luro. Luro Robot is a personal head massager that makes you feel relaxed and comfortable without obstructing your work. When you're using it, it truly feels as if someone is massaging your temples. The Luro Robot will change the way you sleep and relax. Using the Luro Robot for massages is easy and comfortable. It can provide you with immediate comfort and relaxation. Luro can reduce stress, relax, and calm your mind. It can even improve blood circulation in different parts of the head, helping you get better sleep. It's the portable personal massaging robot you didn't know you needed. The Luro Robot implements a simulated human massage technique, so when you're using the Luro Robot, you'll feel as if your masseuse is massaging you. The best part? All you have to do is position the Luro Robot on your head, turn it on, and carry on with your work. You don't need to hold anything in place, just let your Luro Robot do the job for you. Number 3. Brush Lee. Brush Lee is the revolutionary auto-foaming toothbrush that cleans your teeth in 10 seconds. The smooth foam from Brush Lee is easier to reach all surfaces of the tooth, which is a great improvement for tooth cleaning. Multiple functions with one button click, it's really convenient while brushing, especially for kids and the elderly. Here's how the magic happens. After testing many types of motors, the magnetic suspension sonic motor was our final choice. Such motors produce high-frequency acoustic vibrations that create cavitation effects in the periodontal area. The sound energy transmitted by each bristle produces a cavitation effect, which effectively cleans the teeth. Brush Lee uses specialized toothpaste liquid. Compared with regular toothpaste, the toothpaste liquid achieves rapid bubbling that collaborates perfectly with our brush. You can also change the time and intensity of brushing by changing the personal preference settings in the Brush Lee app. Number 2. The LaviBot S. If you're too busy to clean up the litter box regularly, or you're forced to leave your home without doing a good cleaning, the litter box will become dirty and start to stink. And a litter box filled with excrement is a bad influence for your cat. LaviBot S is able to efficiently get rid of the excrement through a patented rotating rake mechanism. When the cat has done its business, the LaviBot automatically starts cleaning after a certain amount of wait time. The time can be set by users from 15 to 90 minutes, and this gives enough time for excrements to get hardened, so even diarrhea can be perfectly taken care of. In addition, the LaviBot S uses non-sticky material on the bottom of the tray, so it always keeps itself hygienically clean. The LaviBot's waste drawer is large enough to collect waste for up to 3 weeks. And LaviBot S automatically refills litter from its 6.5-liter extra storage after cleaning up, keeping the inside of the LaviBot S in tip-top shape for your cat all the time. And number 1, WearBuds Pro. WearBuds are the first TWS earbuds that combine wireless audio into a fitness tracking wearable. The patented design is an industry game changer. With WearBuds Pro, you have everything that comes from your phone. With the built-in 7-axis accelerometer, motion, heart rate, and pressure sensors, WearBuds Pro works seamlessly with you. WearBuds Pro earbuds pair instantly with the fitness band, using a rock-solid Bluetooth 5.0 connection to access music, playback or pause, and answer or hang up calls. All real-time phone notifications appear on your wrist for hands-free, carefree viewing. WearBuds Pro use the latest mobile audio technology to sound like the future. They deliver crystal clear, powerful, and super balanced premium hi-fi sound. Truly immersive audio with zero latency, palpable, dynamic, and smooth. WearBuds Pro's patented snap-on design secures the earbuds for charging or storage in a solid metal case with a classic matte finish. The screen of the wristband is ultra-strong Corning Gorilla Glass with up to 7H hardness that makes it shatter and scratch-proof and fingerprint resistant. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. Which invention from this list did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video.